Okay, today I have a Dorma 7-pin cylinder lock received from Wayne Winton, Tri-County Locksmith. It's a 7-pin. This is the bitting on the key. 7th pin sets right here on the tip end of the key. Lock does work, very smooth. Okay, let's open it up and look at the pins. I can gut this one. I ordered me some tools for those Euro locks, thanks to the lock picking lawyer. So I should have those in a couple of weeks, maybe sooner. Okay, we're going to use top of the keyway and this pick. Let's go all the way to the back. We're going to work off of this ledge here. I can get to some of the pins from this angle, but it's very hard to do, so we're going to go work off this ledge. Okay, this is the bitting on the key. I forgot to show it to you. It's not a real bad bitting. Okay, let's work our way to the back. And we're going to try to use light tension. I felt like number 5 moved a little. Let me see if I can stay out of your view. Okay, we got 3 pins moved in. I believe it was number 4, 3, and 2. A little bit on number 7. Okay, there was number 2 and number 1. Give us a little bit of a false set on number 1. Okay, number 7 moved a little. Okay, number 6 moved some. Number 5. Okay, let's go back to the back again. I think I missed a pin or might overset one. Let's check them all. Okay, a little bit more false set out of number 7 then. Okay, there it is, open on number 5. Okay, that's a 7-pin Dorma. This one we will gut. Keep it in view. Okay, let's go ahead and lock it back up till I get a clip and everything on it, off of it. See, I think I need to shim this. Not sure, but I think I do. So let me see if I can shim it. Because we don't know really what kind of pins are in it. Alright. I think that'll do it. See if we can slide everything out now without any problem. Okay, there's that. There's the shim. Okay, as you can see, all their pins are in the lock, all 7. Number 1 and 2 pins are just standard pins. Standard, 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 standard. Okay, all the bottom pins are standard. And let's look at the plug real close. I don't think anything has been changed on the plug. Okay, it does have counter milling on 1, 2, 4, and 5. So 1, 2, 4, and 5 has counter milling. Okay, let's check our top pins. Okay, we'll start with number 1 pin. I believe that's number 1. No, that's number 7 pin. Okay, we'll start with number 7. There's some kind of serrated pin. There's a tapered pin. Another type of serrated pin. Another serrated pin. I think they was trying to make them act like spools. I'm not sure. Another serrated pin. Another serrated pin. And let's just dump that last one out. It's a serrated pin also. So there's nothing in the Bible that's been changed. But we do have see what kind of pins that we've got here. Okay, we have a standard pin on the bottom, on all the way across on all 7 pins. Then we got some type of serrated pins like this, which in my opinion makes it easier to pick. Okay, now these 3, same thing as a type of serrated pin. Serrated pin. This is a tapered pin, and it looks like a steel tapered pin. And this is another serrated pin. Okay, that's what we have in this lock from Wayne Winton. Okay, I appreciate it, Wayne. Thank you very much for sending this 7-pin Dorma. And thank everyone again for watching. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And please do not do anything illegal. And please stay out of trouble. And thank you again. Appreciate it.